for you, yes. Come on.
What the hell is going on?
Let go of the gun! Stop!
No!
Stop! Shots fired! Shots fired! Police.
Oh my God.
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
My daughter's scared. She's like, she don't know what's going on.
No, are you okay?
Yeah.
All right, I'm Officer McGee. Detective wants to talk to you guys.
About what? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it
Oh my God.
Home? Where is he?
He's here.
Where?
Hold on.
No, hold on. Here, ma'am. Where is he? No, hold on. Yeah, no, so I can talk to you. Is he in his room or where?
No, he's sleeping.
Okay, in the back?
Here.
All right, cool. Just don't close the door on me. You can go get him if you want.
Okay.
Here, don't close the door on me, please. Please, don't close the door. He's inside the house in the back room, apparently sleeping. Mom has opened the door for us. Is there any dogs?
Sure.
Here.
No.
Ma'am, I have a warrant for him. Stop. For you, yes. Come on.
No, what the hell is going on?
Let go of the gun! Stop!
No!
Stop! Shots fired! Shots fired! Don't touch your gun!
It's unloaded. Suicide by car.
9440, officer involved shooting. Start me back up.
Come on here.
What the hell is going on?
Hey, hold, put him on.
That's fine. Flip him. Hey, gun right there behind.
Oh!
9440 broadcast.
We have him in custody. Shots fired. Enter through the alley.
Are any officers injured?
Negative. One firearm recover.